Hey guys, welcome to LogNips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Deep AI account online on your Android device. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Deep AI account on your Android device, first open up your preferred browser as I'll be continuing with my internet browser. And after you have opened your preferred browser, tap on the search bar and type in the address deepai.org like this and tap on go, and then you'll be redirected to this home page of the Deep AI where you can see the three dotted line or the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and just beside the sign up button. We are going to log into our account on the Deep AI platform, but if you have not yet created an account on Deep AI, tap on sign up to go through a procedure to sign up for or register an account on Deep AI. With that being said, let's tap on the three line icon, and you can see when we tap on the three line icon at the bottom of this list there is the login button available over here for us. Tap on that login button, and you can see if you want to log into your Deep AI account with your Google account, there is the button to directly log into your Deep AI account with your Google account. If you tap on that login with Google button, a login page to your Google account will open, and if you log into your Google account on that page, you'll be logged into your Deep AI account with your Google account. With that being said, let's tap on more login options, and you can see there are different platforms with which you can sign in to your Deep AI account with your Twitter, GitHub, LinkedIn, and Google accounts from over here. If you tap on either of these buttons, from login with Twitter, which says the login with Twitter, to the login with Google on these platform, if you tap on these, a login page to your Twitter, GitHub, LinkedIn, or Google account will open, and if you log into your respected accounts, you will be signed into your Deep AI account with these accounts. With that being said, to log into your Deep AI account manually, tap over here which says the email and enter the email with which you had created an account on the Deep AI platform like this. And after entering your email address, tap on password and enter your password which you had registered on Deep AI again with your email address at the time of creating your password. But if you have forgotten your password, you can see there is the click here option available. If you tap on that click here button, you will be able to retrieve or reset your password if you have forgotten it. With that being said, after entering your email address and your password, tap on login, and you'll be signed into your Deep AI account from over here. And there guys, this is how you log into your Deep AI account on your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.